Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and a very good morning. I beg to our Integrated Engineering Design lecturer, which is Dr. FAHRUL HASSAN. Okay, today I will present about our group project, which is our group name is Alternate F4. So our group project name is Rov Line Maker. Alternate F4 consists of 4 members, which is me, Muhammad Fadil bin Azman, which my matric number is CD180041. Second student is Muhammad Farhan Adli bin Payat. Third student is Muhammad bin Hairi, and lastly is Rizwan bin Yasin. Okay, about our project background. A line marker is a tool or equipment that is used to draw lines or marks on a sport field or pitch. It has been around since the 19th century, especially in the athletic sector. Many of the sports that we have include line making, such as football, rugby, tennis, athletic, and so on. So we can use the ROV to make line marking, which is only operated by one person. It is much faster and accurate than using manually line marking equipment. The technology used in ROV is quite promising and easier to handle as well as being faster and more precise. So problem statement for our project is the long time taken to build a new pitch line after one competition to another. Furthermore, the old line maker in the market is quite needed a skillful person to handle it. With that, pitch line will take a time to build up a new one. So our research objective first is to reduce the time taken to build up the line pitch. Second, to design that user-friendly and affordable in cost of line maker. So the scope of our study, first is use the aftermarket compartments such as ROV and stainless steel to build our ROV line maker. Next, simulation is being conducted by SolidWorks, focusing on strength and structure. And lastly, produce a high intensity ROV line maker. So this is our organizational chart and group logo. So as you can see, myself is a director for our group project. Next is Muhammad Farhan Adli, act as a product engineer, and second is Rizwan Yasin, act as a project engineer. Lastly is Muhammad Bekari, act as design engineer. So this is our group logo, which is Alternate F4. Alternate F4 stands for alternator. It is a specialist in converting electrical energy to mechanical energy, which is the same function as the alternator in the engineering area. The word was chosen as the name for the company. F4 stands for our organization for engineers and our designated point of contact. The B logo symbolizes our unwavering determination to find solution to any issue that arises and our ability to keep active like a bee. So next, this is our pattern search. Before we doing our group project, we have review our about 4 pattern search. But today I will present about among 2 pattern search. Okay, first pattern search is the title is line marking machine. The inventor name is Hal J. Ryan. So date of patent for the first patent is 20 November of 1956. And the next pattern search is title line marking machine. This is invented by August W. Gustafson, Corpus Christi, and Rose E. McLaughlin. So the date of patent is on 4 September 1962. So based on this patent search, we have rebuilt our own ROV line maker and make it better. So this is a pattern comparison. For the first pattern, specification is manual marking machine, include hopper, handle, wheel, frame, agitator, and hand grip. So the advantage and disadvantage for the first pattern is improved agitating assembly for mounting within the mixing chamber. Disadvantage is less durable and manual operating. For the second pattern, the specification is power propelled machine, include handle, engine, wheel, and frame. The advantage is cutting the grass and cleaning a narrow strip. And the disadvantage for the second pattern is heavy and need more space. Of course, it have a lot of mechanism. So for our group project, we have collect the data collection by using our questionnaire. This is our QR code for our questionnaire. So later on the next slide, I will show what few questions that have in our questionnaire. So this is our question that we distribute to the public. So we have about 3 sections, section A, B, and C. So section A is asking about the individual information such as gender, age, and general knowledge about the line maker. So we have go through the section C, which is more detail about the line maker, and the section C is about the choosing material for our ROV line maker. So this is our QFD, which is quality function deployment. So as we can see the data, we can see the adjustable, either is safe, easy to use, durable, reasonable, semi-auto or manual, long-lasting, user-friendly, foldable, and good investment or not for our ROV line maker. So this is our EDS, which is Engineering Design Specification. So the title is ROV Line Maker, intended purpose for use for people to make lines at the field or pitch. Special features, user can reduce time for line making, especially for those that use one field for multiple range. So the customer requirement, of course, they need a design, good features, ergonomic, cost, and for the company requirement is marketing, manufacturing. So for the design, the line maker is safe to use as the customer requirement. Second, the line maker is semi-automated. Customer requirement also the line maker can be adjustable based on our questionnaire. So for the features, customer needs the durable item, easy to use and easy to keep. For ergonomic section, the line maker lessen the weight when carrying the load. The line maker is user friendly and lastly built for comfortable lift when using the line maker. For the cost, the customer needs an affordable to buy the line maker and make sure it is a good investment for a long period of time.
For the next part, this is the function of decomposition of analysis. For the portable device, this is to ease in transporting the device. For the types of ROV, is to find the suitable design for the ROV. The types of tire, it is to ease in moving the ROV in the field. For types of motor is to reduce the usage of power. Types of suspension is to ease the load during the line making, and for controller is the ease to control the ROV. This is the figure of the black box of automated line maker. This is the concept map of ROV line maker. This is the morphological chart of ROV line maker. This is the weighted rating method of ROV line maker to evaluate the design concept based on their overall worth. This is the function and specification of the selected combination, such as roller pin, which is to paint the line, and paint tank, which is a container for paint fluid. This is the sketching design of the product to determine the best design for ROV line maker. This is the schematic diagram of ROV line maker. This is the rough geometric layout for ROV line maker.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Bikhari and my metric number is AD1800057 and I will present the chapter 5. This is a product SolidWorks design, function and testing. So they have in the subtopic I have a sub-assembly parts and function, parts and working principle, exploded view and render final product. So this is a sub-assembly and function. So they have a pin container to store the pin before being filled to the pipe to make each line can store 1 liter pin on it. And the storage case to store a control box from being exposed to the outer surrounding. To place a battery of the ROV for operating system. Place to keep up the electricity component. So this is the chassis to support the weight of the tank body and prevent the pen from leaking and entering the storage case. So this is a working principle. So this is the ROV line maker situation where I prepare for running or the part on standby and pour the paint to the case, and the roller is slipped in the paint case to ensure the roller is fully dipped in the paint, and once finished the roller dip down into the paint container, so the roller will flip up from the paint container and the ROV line maker are ready to use. And this is the position where the ROV line maker one is running, the ROV line maker is ready to use. So this is the exploded view. So this is the assembly products, exploded view and bill of materials. And this is a render final products. So we have a front view 1, front view 2, and side view. And now we continue for the chapter 6, detailed design and product simulation. We have a subtopic, detailed drawings, product analysis and simulation, and bill of material. So they have a static analysis for stress, one method for time platform. So we got actually the all of these safety factor is under one, so they have a very good condition. So if they put the pressure on it, so this is a stress, one message for 10 platform, and displacement for 10 platform, and this is for tank holder platform, from stress, displacement, strain. And for buckling analysis, we got for the tank platform, we got the load factor is 0.075. This is under 1. And for the buckling analysis, we got 3.92. This is bad for tank holder platform.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rizwan bin Yasin. I will present about the sustainability. So sustainability defined as the meeting on our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So in sustainability there is three important element, which is economic, social and environment. So when these three element meet the criteria, and sustainability can be obtained. So our product is considered about the social environment and responsibility for the improvement of quality of life. We determine the environment effect for the production of the product. For eco-friendly design, which is the process creating product with particular considering the effect of the environment. Design for minimum material use, we only use such as holder and tire. And for the recycle process, we can use such as screw, bolt and nut. And design for the non-hazardous material use, we use the particular main body to store the pen, to avoid the hardness. The next is economic costing and business plan. So in cost evaluation, there is manufacturing cost, and manufacturing divided by three other terms, which is direct material cost, which is cost about the raw material, and then direct labor cost, overhead cost, development cost, overall cost, and then the total cost. For the business plan, first is background company, which is found in 20 May 2022. We have 4 members, and all of us are from UTHM student. And our mission is produce and improve the high quality product. Our vision is provide the best innovated products towards the fourth industrial revolution. Our product description, around about 8 kilo and 200 millimeter to times 300 millimeters. There is some feature which is semi-auto, lightweight. For marketing analysis, we use the survey from the people, and we compare with other product. And for the market strategy, we use the 4P, which is price, promotion, product and place. And there is also the self forecasting for our product. So that's all for me. Thank you.